مرحبا بكم في قناة هاوتاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب.
Super Goal 1. 1. Good morning. 6. About you. How do you spell your first name?
My name is spelled Astami.
How do you spell your last name?
My last name is spelled Alokili.
What do your friends call you?
My friends usually call me Sammy.
What's your best friend's name?
My best friend's name is Jason Alokili.
What's your dad's name?
My dad's name is Mohammed Alokili.
What's your brother's name?
My brother's name is Ali Alokili.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great. See you later.
Have a great day.
2. What day is today? 6. About you. How old is your best friend?
My best friend is 28 years old.
What is your best friend's name?
My best friend's name is Ali.
How old is your pet?
I don't have a pet.
If you had a pet, what's your pet's name?
If I had a pet, I would name it Squeaky.
3. What's that? 4. About you. What's in your backpack or bag?
I'm sorry, I don't have a backpack or bag.
If you had one, what would you put in them?
If I had a backpack or bag, I would likely put my laptop, books, notebooks, and other items I need for school and work.
What's on your desk?
On my desk, I have a laptop, a notebook, some pens and pencils, a few books, and a few other items.
4. Around the world. 7. About you. Where are you from?
I was born in Jubail City in Saudi Arabia.
What's your nationality?
I am a Saudi Arabian citizen.
What's your first language?
My first language is Arabic.
Do you have an email address?
Yes, I do. My email address is insert email here.
Do you have a telephone number?
Yes, I do. My telephone number is insert phone number here.
What countries are your friends from?
My friends are from many different countries, including Saudi Arabia, the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom.
Have a nice day.
You too. Have a great day.
5. Families, families. 7. About you. Do you have a big or small family?
I was born into a kind family with 2 loving parents, and I have an older brother.
So this is a small family. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 1 older brother.
How many uncles and aunts do you have?
I have 2 uncles and 2 aunts.
How many cousins do you have?
I have 5 cousins.
How old are your brothers and sisters?
My older brother is 2 years older than me.
Who is your favorite uncle or aunt or cousin?
My favorite cousin is my youngest cousin, who is also the most mischievous one.
Do you have any nephews and nieces?
Yes, I have several nephews and nieces.